DMAIC is the traditional project model within the philosophy of Lean Six Sigma. DMAIC stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. The 5 phases are followed structurally by working with problem solving and process optimization. The main purpose of DMAIC tools is to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of an organization's existing processes. It's a problem-solving methodology used in the context of Six Sigma, a business management strategy aimed at improving the quality of process outputs by identifying and removing the causes of defects and minimizing variability in manufacturing and business processes. But how does it work? DMAIC is implemented through 5 different phases. 1. Define clearly the project goals, along with the customer's requirements and the process to be improved. 2. Measure the current process performance and collect baseline data to understand the extent of the problem and establish a benchmark for improvement. 3. Analyze the root causes of the problem through data analysis and various analytical tools to understand why the process is not meeting the desired performance levels. 4. Improve, by developing and implementing solutions to address the root causes identified in the analyze phase. These solutions are then tested to verify their effectiveness in improving the process. 5. Control the solutions and verify their effectiveness in improving the process. Monitoring systems are established to ensure that the process remains stable and continues to meet the desired performance levels. Summary. First, define, precise definition of the goal. Second, measure, understanding the problem. Third, analyze, identify root causes. Fourth, implement actions to resolve the causes. Fifth, control, ensure that results are sustainable in the long term.